Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. For my other videos, kindly refer to the links given in the description below. In this video, I am going to explain how to use nomenclature in LaTeX documents. Before that, I would like to inform the difference between nomenclature, abbreviation and acronym. Nomenclature, as you know, is the practice of naming organisms, objects, symbols, etc., where abbreviation is shortening of a word. For Mr., you may simply write MR. For acronym is nothing but acronym is created by collecting the first letter of each word in a string of words. How to use nomenclature in LaTeX documents? For that, we shall take up the Technic Center editor. I am using here a package nomenclature, Nomen, CL and AMS Sim packages. Now, if you compile this document, the output will be just this. UTC is 3 hours behind ADT and 10 hours ahead of EST. The author may know what he means by UTC, ADT and EST, but others may not know this. In that case, what he has to do is, he has to give the nomenclature of all the terms that he uses in his document. You can say nomenclature followed by two pairs of curly braces. In the first pair, what you are using in your output. In the second pair of curly braces, you give the description of this term. You may do one thing. You can collect all the nomenclature terms at the beginning of the document itself, or you may give the nomenclature command as and when you encounter them in your document, like this. For convenience, I am collecting all of them together here in the nomenclature. Compile this. Again you will find nothing appears in the document. What you have to do is, you have to run the command nomenclature. Again run PDF LaTeX. Then you will find the nomenclature is appearing in your document. The command to run nomenclature is this: make index filename .nlo -s nomencl.ist -o filename.nls. This is your input file name and this is your output file name. For those who are using Technic Center editor, instead of file name, they can use %tm as a placeholder to execute this command. When I tried TeXworks in Linux, I could not make TeXworks to run this command by itself. In such cases, what you can do is, go to command prompt, navigate to the folder in which you have the main file, and from the command prompt you execute this command. Remember to substitute your file name in the place of file name, then you can have this output. It has got many options. For example, suppose you give here file M, then the spacing is increased. Notice that nomenclature is available in tabular format, in 2-column format, like this. Now, it automatically arranges like this. Suppose you want to have an order of your own. Let us say, here you can say here you can have in the option bracket 0, 1, let us say 0, 2, and here 0, 1, and then 0, 3. Compile this. Again execute nomenclature, again compile PDF LaTeX. Then you will find ADT EST is available in the order we have specified. For others, we have not specified any order, that is why they appear in an order specified by the software itself. Now, what you can do is, you may use these two commands. Renew command, nom name, list of symbols. If you don't like nomenclature, if you want to have list of symbols, use this command. You can also have a nom preamble followed by the preamble that you want to have within the curly braces, like this. Notice that nomenclature is now changed to list of symbols, and this is the preamble. Again, let us say we use if then package. Let us say we use if then package, and then we renew the command nom group like this. If in the option bracket I give B, I must have a subgroup physics constants. If I use O in the option bracket, then other symbols will appear as a separate subgroup. Similarly for number sets. Here, velocity of light is physics constant. Mass of sun is physics constant. This is other symbol, and this is number set. Other symbols, and this is other symbols. Compile, and then again execute nomenclature. Again compile using PDF LaTeX. You will find in the output number sets appear as a separate subgroup, and then other symbols, and then physics constants. Suppose you want to change this order in other symbols. What you can do is, in other symbols you can say O1, and here this is O3, O2 or O3. Compile, execute nomenclature, again compile PDF LaTeX. The output will be changed as desired by you. Remember, nomenclature is available in tabular format with the two columns. The package documentation gives another feature like this. I have copied this file directly from the package documentation. I have not changed anything. With the nomencl package, we give two options, nomen TBL and standard subgroups. Then when we say standard subgroups, if I use the option A here, we will get Latin letters, A Latin letters, again Latin letters. And if you use an option G, we will get Greek letters. And then if I use the option Z, we will get subscripts. Let me demonstrate it. Compile with PDF LaTeX, again execute nomenclature, again compile PDF LaTeX. You will find Latin letters are grouped, Greek letters are grouped, subscripts are grouped. This is one facility. Another facility is, notice that now nomenclature is available in a tabular format, not with 2 columns but with 4 columns. In the first column, the symbol, in the second column, the description, and in the third column, units if you want to give, and in the fourth column, further explanation. Therefore, each of these commands, nomenclature, will have one option bracket followed by 4 pairs of curly braces. In the first one, we give the symbol. In the second one, explanation. In the third one, the unit. For giving the unit, we have to follow the SI units package documentation. And then in the fourth column, further explanation may be given. Like this. With this, we conclude our discussion on nomenclature. We will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching.